Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the Mourning Cloak Butterfly in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you my insect story. Okay, and I'm going to show the Mourning Cloak, this one. Okay, and this is the detailed information about this Mourning Cloak. Basically, it's active during the sunny days and also during the rainbow event. And for the source, it's from Anson Mountain, specifically from the Anson. So you can go to the Anson, guys, right here. You can track this bus stop at the Anson Mountain. You can go here and then you can start to catch the insect right here. Okay, and if you're lucky, you will meet the Mourning Cloak. Just explore this area, and remember, it's only active during the sunny days and also the rainbow event. So when it's raining, it won't appear. It won't spawn. And okay guys, that's how you can catch the Mourning Cloak Butterfly in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.